Hi math friends, today we're looking at similar figures. There's two terms that we need to know here. The first is congruent. Congruent is when measures are the same, and the symbol that you're going to see looks like that. Similar we'll talk about throughout, and I'll show you the symbol right now. So the symbol for similar is just like this. Let's look at this one. It says identify the congruent angles and similar sides in these similar shapes. So we know right away these two shapes are similar. And one thing we need to look at on the angles is the ones that have the same markings. So I'm going to say angle A is congruent to angle X. And I know that because they have the same one tick mark on them. Also look at angle C is congruent to angle Z. And last angle, angle B, is congruent to angle Y. Alright, now we're going to look at the similar sides. So when I'm looking at a similar side, I want to keep the angles in order. So AB, that's the side of this triangle. I want to say that it's similar to a side on the other triangle. So what angle was congruent to A? That was X. And I need to end at the angle that was congruent to B, which was Y. I'm going to draw that on here too. AB is similar to XY. Another one we have AC is similar to, look at the angles again, X, Z. And lastly, BC is similar to YZ. We're going to use this to set up a proportion now and solve for an unknown length. So here it says, the shapes below are similar. Find side length DE. Well, let's see what we have. We have our similar triangles. We have our congruent angles. So I know that FE is similar to KN. And I know that DE, the one that we're looking for, is similar to MN. Okay. Each of these similarities is a ratio. So I have FE over KN. And I'm going to set that equal to the ratio of my other sides. Equals DE over MN. Okay. Now we'll take the numbers, the values that we already have, and use them in here. So FE was 12, KN was 20, and then let's look at our other ones. DE, we don't know that, so I'm just going to say X over 15. Okay. And now we have a proportion set up, so now we can use our cross products, 12 times 15, and set that equal to our other cross product, 20 times X. So grab my calculator, I'll do 12 times 15, and I get 180. Simplify this side. Equals 20 times x is 20x. Divide both sides by 20. And I have x is 9. Okay. I'm not just going to say 9 though. I'm going to say DE is 9, and there's no inches or centimeters or miles. It doesn't tell us what units we're using, so we're just going to say in general units. So DE is 9 units long. Make sure that you write your final answer in a nice short sentence like that.